Hi guys, how are you all? So welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. It's been more than a month, right? Sorry guys, I've been a little busy, that's why I've not been doing a video, but today I'm back with a new video. Today I'm just going to, since it's been a long time since I've been with you guys, I'm going to do some chat and also do Bantu knots on my hair. I washed my hair and I'm going to do a Bantu knot on it. I so much love Bantu knots because it's good for my hair, and it just maintain the moisturized in my hair. So guys, let's start. So I'm just going to take off this here. It's a little bit wet. It's still wet here. Guys, if you see me looking here, because there is a mirror there, so I'm looking at it. So I'm going to remove the band in it, and guys, I'm going to apply my cream. I take a little bit of cream, then this one is oil. It's shea butter oil mix. Since it's summer here, it has melted. I'm going to mix this one too. I've taken a bit, okay, and apply it on my hair. Guys, just a minute, I forgot my oil, so I'm coming up. Okay, I'm back. My oil, I'll apply a little bit of this too. Okay. So I will put this back in a tie and do this part too. Apply cream, oil, and guys, the reason why I'm applying the cream on both sides is because since I have a low porosity hair, I have a low porosity, how do we call it? Yeah, low porosity hair, and my hair dry very quick. When your hair is damp, you have to apply your cream and oil on it before it dries, so that when it's dry, it's already moisturized. It will just maintain the moisturize in it. Okay, in my next video I will give information. Here I will talk about porosity. And I'll tie this also. Okay, back. Okay, so guys, let's start doing the Bantu knots on this. And guys, I wanted to tell you, you can comb your hair before doing this, or you can also comb it with your hands, like trying to separate them without using comb on your hair. That's what I'm going to do. Not going to use comb, but I'm going to just try to separate them. Okay, sorry, you have I'm going to apply again oil, because maybe the one that I applied first is not enough. You can apply other oil.
La 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 la. Do you believe there are angels all around us?
On low porosity hair, guys, there are a lot of things to do, but since I don't want this video to be too long, I will talk about it. I'll give you information, and I'll talk about low porosity and everything in my next videos, so that you guys will have a little bit of information. So guys, I'm going to continue to do my hair to Bantu knot it off camera, and later on I'll come and show you how it came out. My finished look. Okay, so guys, I'm done Bantu knots my hair. This is how it is. I'm done. I know that I said I wanted to do a chat with you guys, but I didn't want this video to be that long. So all I wanted to say is thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Follow me on my social medias on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Yeah, thanks and have a blessed day. Bye. Kisses. Bye.
Me, me,